Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm very emotional. So guys, this is my second Ford car. People who are very close to me must be knowing that I first owned a Ford Figo Petrol, the first generation of Ford Figo, and that was also crazy car. I loved it, but more than that, I've spent more time with this car which I'm driving right now, Ford. As you can see, such a beautiful car, such a beautiful dashboard, and the best part is the best driving dynamics of this car. I've driven cars worth 50 lakhs, more than that, but the enjoyment I get in this 1.5 diesel engine made by Ford is just crazy, 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 crazy. It just booms like anything, and the mileage you get is just amazing. Let me show you. 24 की माइलेज है. अभी आपने देखा मैं कैसे एक्सप्लोरेट कर रहा हूँ, तब भी इतनी अच्छी माइलेज 24-23 दे देती है भगाते हुए हाईवे पे एसी के साथ. एंड एसी, एवरीवन who has sat on a Ford car, they must be knowing how chill their ACs are. विंडोज तो कल ऐसी हो गई थी, पूरी फॉग हो गई थी. सो दे हैव commendable AC. You know guys, the topic of the video was a bit different, but whenever I talk about my car, I'm so possessive about it कि मैं गाड़ी की तारीफ करते करते खो जाता हूँ, and I just flow in it. Like Ford has made such a gem of cars now. Like I've driven Toyotas, I've driven Mercedes, BMs, lot of cars, but the एक छोटी रेंज में कार with the crazy dynamics, VW and Ford. These cars are really crazy. I'm so worried about it, like who will be driving this car after me, because the pleasure that I get in this car I don't even get in my Jeep Compass also. So honestly, it has a lot of power, the Jeep Compass, but जो मज़ा इस गाड़ी में आता है चलाते हुए, भगाते हुए, outside it looks a very ordinary car, but whoever has been on the driver's seat of this car, he knows that damn, you will get so much of power under your seat, just accelerator away. You don't even need to shift gears. अगर मैं 60 की या 50 की स्पीड में फिफ्थ गियर पे दबाता हूँ, it will overtake a lot of cars at their full accelerator in shorter gears. कोई भी 1500cc 1200cc पेट्रोल गाड़ी, स्विफ्ट, बलिनोज, ब्रीजाज, सिटीज, सबको पीछे कर देती है 100 से 0 to 140 तक. Crazy power, like just boom. So guys, this is my last vlog with this car. Show you car yaar, because it's not about me, it's more about car. So I'll show you about the car. So this is my last vlog with this car, and I just thought ki yaar, as a token of memory, this should be uploaded on my channel. Even though I'm not very active on my channel, I'm not publishing a lot of videos, but this मेरे दिल का टुकड़ा, my Ford Aspire 1705 deserves this video for life. So after I gave it to the dealer, so there's a dealer who supplies car outside Delhi NCR to other states like South India, अपना हैदराबाद, गुजरात और MP वगैरह भी जाती हैं उनकी गाड़ियाँ. तो डीजल गाड़ियाँ दिल्ली से यूजली वहीं जाती है उन डीलर के थ्रू. तो आई एम गिविंग इट टू द डीलर बिकॉज I cannot take a lot of time in paperwork and all those things. So I'll be giving it to dealer. And this is the last day I'm with this car. इसके बाद I'll not moreover driving this car. I'll not get a chance to drive my Ford Figo Aspire. I've kept it really fine. It's really fine in terms of its mechanical thing. All four suspension are new. The engine has always been supplied with the fully synthetic engine oil as per the standards of Ford. Transmission oil तक मैंने change किया था एक बारी, so to enhance the longevity of my gearbox. Brake pads Ford genuine है. Tires are all upgraded. थोड़े से wide है, थोड़ी सी up heighted है. So under the bad roads, this car behaves so good, like nothing better than this, I feel. I've drifted with this car a lot of times. The drift with the accelerator, not with the brakes. I never pull the handbrake. So what I do is, like, wherever there is a gravel over the road, I'll pull the car hard and it will just glide like a BM only, but with the front wheel drive. and the steering has so good handling that I never feel underconfident while drifting this car also. And on highways everyone knows that Ford have amazing stability. देखा guys, यही तो दिक्कत है. The thing was about memories of my car, this car, but this car has so good things, you know, in my memories that मैं इसकी तारीफ कर करके थक जाता हूँ. इतनी तारीफें करता हूँ, but still, even in my family or my friend circle, whoever knows me, they know how much I love my Ford Figo Aspire. So yeah, guys, मतलब अब लाइफ है यार, it moves on. You have to let go few things. सबकी ज़िंदगी से कुछ चीज़ें आती कुछ जाती है. And just like that, I have to leave this also, my Ford Figo Aspire. So yeah, ये अब I think 20 more kilometers I will be driving, 20-25, and I'll be handing over it to the dealer and taking my money. So bas guys, I don't have a lot of words yaar, but whoever is there who is driving a Ford anywhere in India knows the emotion that is associated with this car. People don't sell it easily. They keep it for years till the last breath of this car. This is not a car to be sold, but unfortunately Delhi government has some different rules, opinions. तो दिल्ली में BS4 डीजल गाड़ी को चलने नहीं देते ड्यूरिंग द ग्रैप, एंड 10 साल से पुरानी डीजल गाड़ी जो होती है वो चल नहीं सकती. सो 2017 मॉडल, तो 1 साल इसका रह गया लगभग. उसके बाद यू कैन नॉट ड्राइव इट इन दिल्ली NCR, तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. बट आई डोंट नो वाई यार, ये पोल्यूशन टेस्ट हो गया, हर चीज़ को वेरी ईजिली पास करती है. इट कंप्लाइज विद ऑल द नॉर्म्स, बट आई डोंट नो वाई आई हैव टू इवेंचुअली गिव दिस कार टू समवन. इवन दो मैं इतना प्यार कर रहा हूँ इसी गाड़ी से, मेरा मन कर रहा है यूटर्न लेके वापस घर चल जाओ. आई कैन कैंसिल द डील. आई एम नॉट हंग्री अबाउट मनी, बिकॉज वो मनी को इतना सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है जो मेरी लाइफ में इम्पैक्ट लाएगा. बट इट्स जस्ट कि यार आई नीड टू बी लिटिल लॉजिकल, सिंस गवर्नमेंट ने जो चीज़ जैसी बनाई होती है आपको फिर उस हिसाब से ही करना पड़ता है. तो या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव टू बियर एंड आई हैव टू गिव दिस कार. लुक एट द स्टेबिलिटी गाइज. अंदर एक आवाज़ भी नहीं आती गाड़ी की, गाने बंद है, सब बंद है. AC इज़ जस्ट ब्रिलियंट. इट्स 10 टाइम गुड एज अ ब्रांड न्यू कार ऑफ एनी मारुति और Hyundai. इतना ठंडा AC होता है इनका. आई डोंट नो व्हाट कंप्रेसर्स दे आर यूजिंग, व्हाट टेक्नोलॉजी दे यूज़. इट गोज़ अप टू 15 डिग्री, 15.5, 14 डिग्रीज. कोई और गाड़ी का शायद 18 के नीचे जाता भी नहीं है. सो दैट इज़ हाउ इट क्रिएट्स अ डिफरेंस. एवरीथिंग इज़ सो गुड. Like eventually I look at the mileage, proper mileage instantaneous नहीं है, and it's still 31 हाईवे पे मैंने ट्रिप मारा था. So ये सब चीज़ें देखने के बाद आपका बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता गाड़ी बेचने का. बट यार क्या करे, the government rules are like that. I have to let it go. So that's it from my side guys. I know this vlog might be a little boring for you, but it's very emotional time for me to let go this car. I have to give it to someone. And yeah, I love you my Ford. I love you a lot. I'll keep loving you. I'll miss you. Bye bye.